Alright guys, gonna go look at a Jeep. Me and Cody's gonna meet me down there. It's got a V8 in it. It used to be a 4-cylinder. I've known the Jeep for 8 years, seen it around, and my brother has done some work on it, but it's in really bad shape. We're gonna try to buy this Jeep. I'm gonna try to fix it up, make it something cool that we can play around in, and when we get down here, we'll turn this camera back on and we'll take a look at it as we pull up and shoot a whole video of what we've got going on, what we're looking at. Okay, so first impressions are not that great.
I screwed up the spacers. I don't think I can fit in that little green seat.
Okay, so Cody saying that he can't fit in that little green seat means at some point he's gonna be sitting in that little green seat. I guarantee it. It's a nice little car.
It looks good.
There's what everybody.
Oh, it looks a lot better up here.
It does look a lot better up here.
A lot nicer.
Yeah, it does. Fans
think,
on it, but
Cody?
it's not hooked up.
What's not hooked up? Fan.
It does.
Okay, so at this point I'm looking at the Jeep and I'm thinking, you know, maybe a trail rig or something like that, but I have pretty much taken anything as far as a show Jeep or something I want to take on a 1,000-mile trip. I'm taking that out of the equation. It's just not going to happen with this Jeep.
Alternator and all that stuff work on it.
See if I can get him going. I ain't had him running.
It don't have any pipes on it, does it?
Nope.
Nothing.
No, sir. With the switch you flip. Hold on, I can find a screwdriver. Screwdriver.
And a steering wheel.
Yeah.
Put a whole steering column in it. That I don't think we'll get by with those vice grips on there.
Yeah. Mouse grip.
Yeah, you have to have vice grip steering. Alright, I can see it all over Cody. He is thinking, where's the rest of it?
Have to find us some seats.
Okay, so Cody just sold this Jeep, this white Jeep here, and this is why we're gonna have a hard time selling him on this little blue Jeep. He's just used to the big fancy Jeeps.
Anyway,
Yep.
there was a problem with the turn signal. It's got all new brake lines, all new brakes, rotors.
Oh, does it got all new brakes and stuff?
It's got all It goes with it. All kinds of stuff. Here's a shot. Hey, you twist that battery cable. Oh, here's where you get some gas. This thing has been running about a month, 2 months. I know the battery.
I know what y'all thinking. Y'all thinking that he's not gonna be able to get this Jeep started, but trust me, if anybody can start this Jeep, it's gonna be my brother. He can start this Jeep.
This all looks nice on there.
Hold on a second.
All right. No, it ain't Si. Hey, man.
All right. Yeah, get the pump there. There we get in here. Here's the work. Here we go.
He said he thought the gear shift would work. I'll get my way.
Try to move my foot and my pan fell on. Oh, no, you gotta hear it, bro. Just because I want to hear it.
Okay, so I look inside of the Jeep. My brother's got a screwdriver jamming it into the steering column. Let's keep watching him start this Jeep.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
I want to hear.
All right, guys, you see this arm right here? This was just some random dude that was walking through the alley and jumped over the fence to help us out. I tell you what, if this thing backfires, I may have a good deal on a wedding band before the night's over.
We shifted with that. Got crazy over the shifter and tore all this down. We want to replace it with another one that didn't have this on it because he was going to put the floor shifter in it.
Want me to open the butterfly?
Hang on. All the shocks, all that crap, all the leaf springs, all that stuff. He bought a 4-inch worth of suspension and he bought
How far did he lift the seat up?
I told you Cody would be in that seat before we left here.
Drop his nuts at the bottom.
Well, you done dropped your nuts on the bottom.
Blood nuts. It's got a new lug nut on it.
Brand new.
Alright guys, so me and Cody felt like this Jeep was a little bit more than we wanted to get involved in, so anyway, we ended up passing on the Jeep. This is Codeman's Auto. Please subscribe.